Hey team, welcome back. My name is Mike and this is the channel where you get updates on tech and lifestyle. Today, very exciting. Lahat na lang very exciting, no? But this one kasi first time din siya for me to get something like this. I wanna show you guys what it is, okay? Give me a sec.
Bye.
Yeah. Ta-da! Right guys, this is the latest product from Raptor. Designed locally here in the Philippines pero very durable at saka quality. This is the Raptor rig and this is the Raptor Rover. So si rig, medyo smaller siya. Papakita ko sa inyo. Kasi nakita ko na yung teaser nito, nakita ko yung product shots pero I'll show it to you guys. Ang cute! So, branded Raptor. Pero, mukhang very durable siya. Makikita mo, hindi siya yung usual na design ng mga storage boxes na very plain at hindi siya easily, what do you call that? Functional. This one is very, very functional kasi may lock din siya sa handle. Teka lang, parang hindi nyo kita yung buong look. Adjust ko lang. Ayan, I think this one is better. Okay, so this is the Raptor rig. Isa sa mga storage box nila na ilo-launch pa lang or na-launch na. Behind is yung kanilang tagline na protect your passion. Can be anything, okay? Stuff that you want to secure, this is it. This one, I think, is waterproof, no? So you don't have to worry if mag-spill man dito, maulanan. Kasi this is sealed very nicely dahil they have this locking mechanism. So not just any locking mechanism, but it's also a handle. Easier to transport. And if makikita nyo yung provision siya dito sa top, kasi if you have a lot of this, you can just stack it one over the other. Pwede mo siyang lagayan ng mga gears mo, or cameras mo, or gadgets mo, or cell phones mo that you're not using. I see a lot of use for this type of storage box. I like na naisip nila yung may proper handling. Kasi karamihan ng mga storage box na nakikita natin sa Dep Store right now, wala siyang proper handle. You have to hold it here. So, medyo hassle, diba? Ang ganda na merong ganitong ready rin and designed for it. Tie-down ready rin siya. What do I mean by tie-down? Kasi, well, with the term, no? Pwede ka mag-strap in dito, may it be if you want to put it on top of your car or you want to secure it. Pwede mo siyang talian dito, may provision siya dito na space para malagay mo. And even dito, may cuts din siya para bumaba siya smoothly at mag-lock siya in place. So, very, very nice. Now, what type of material do they use? The material that they use here is malamang plastic or engineered plastic or what they call polypropylene. So, very durable siya for brakes or bending. So, kahit mainitan siya, kahit mabasa siya, so you're rest assured not to worry na masisira siya easily. Talagang it's made for the outdoors or made for you to go out or to have an adventure. Yan. The lid, let's check it out. Kasi even sa taas, may kita mo may texture din siya. Hindi lang siya basta plain. So, may mga pattern din siya just to make sure na if you put anything there, it will stay in place. And this one has reinforced grid design. This is it sa ilalim. Now, para saan ba tong reinforced grid design? Now, the lid's grid pattern structure gives even distribution of the weight when you stack it together. So, syempre, hindi lang naman isa. If talaga marami kang in-store, you're gonna stack a whole lot. It's going to be heavy na. With that, di lang siya basta mag-break on one side or on both sides or whatever it is. For others, yun ang case, no? Nagkakakrack siya kasi nagpa-pile up siya together. Itong reinforced grid design, it enables you to stack heavy loads. Even pag heavy loads, pwede siya dito. So, hindi siya magbe-break easily. Not a lot of covers has a feature like that. Pero si Raptor, syempre, meron. Again, if you're gonna check it, fully enclosed siya. No? If you're gonna seal it like that, talaga medyo malaki ang kanyang naka-cover. So, for dust and water resistant, pwede to. Stackable or what they call nesting, as I mentioned kanina, pwede mo siyang pagpatong-patungin. Now, try natin. Now, this one is 30 liters. Try natin kung pwede nating i-stack ang 30 sa 50. With that, let's go to the bigger one. This is what they call the Rover. Yes! Laki niya! This one is the 50 liters. Yeah, 50-liter storage box from Raptor. Same features din siya. Weatherproof, stackable, reinforced grid design, engineered plastic, nesting. Nesting means if you're gonna keep it, no? If wala naman siyang laman, pwede mo siyang i-stack together to save space. Iba kasi hindi mo sila pwedeng pagpatong-patungin one in the inside of the other storage. So, nesting is when you keep it and you're not using it, pwede mo siyang i-stack para it will save you space. So, available siya sa tatlong colors. They have green, they have beige, they have gray. I'm really happy that they sent over the beige one kasi ang ganda lang yan. Ang ganda lang yung travel, pang camping. So same with the 30 liters. The 50 liters has the Raptor branding and has the tagline of protect your passion. Ang ganda na very subtle lang siya. It's not in-your-face branding. And yung design niya is wala siyang kaparehas sa nakikita ko sa market right now. Kasi this is locally designed but produced in a very nice quality and executed very well. Well thought of yung mga tie-down ready and yung handle and yung locking system niya dito. Reinforced grid design niya. Even if heavy nakastack sa kanya, hindi siya easily mag-break or magbe-bend. Yan ang advantage of them using the engineered plastic or polypropylene. So, check natin if ang 50 liters can handle yung stacking ng 30. Ano? Fits well. Natatakpan ako. Wait. Ayan, pwede siyang i-stack. Pero syempre, mas magandang i-stack mo siya pag, if same size siya, malamang mas maganda siya tignan. Pero you can still stack them both. Pero syempre, dahil nga 30 to at 50 to, you cannot stack 2 30 liters na magkatabi sa 50. So they also have another one, yung 70 liters now. That is malamang way bigger than this one, itong sa bottom. Talagang ito yung perfect na, I guess, storage box for you kasi easy to carry. I'm really excited if they're gonna come up with really good coolers or ice chest that fits on this one. If they can design this locally na well thought of design tapos very classy and executed very nicely, well thought of sa lifestyle na they're trying to target. Not just the camping side, but syempre yung mga, even sa likod ng car or if you wanna store it sa bahay, no? Maganda na may makita if magkaroon din siya ng transparent ito, no? Ang ganda siguro kasi easily you can check and yung handle na is very nice. 50. Easy kasi yung iba, di ba? Dito masakit sa kamay. This one has provisions na you can just hold it like that. Tapos, pag sin-stack mo rin siya, hindi rin siya sa gabal. Oh. Pwede mo pa rin siyang hawakan sa bottom na hindi siya natatamaan or natatakpan. Galing. Pero syempre, hindi lang yan. So they're also releasing tumblers and mugs, car mugs. Pakita ko sa inyo. This is called Flow. Raise a toast to adventure, whether you're kayaking down the river or lounging at a campsite. This rust-resistant tumbler is crafted from 304 stainless steel to endure the elements. The splash-proof design and slide seal lid prevents splashes, while double-wall vacuum insulation keeps your drink just how it should be. Made from BPA-free materials and comes with a lifetime warranty. Lifetime warranty! You can savor your drink with peace of mind. The Raptor Flow is made for the wild. Made for the wild. So sa mga wild people out there, this one is for you. So itong Flow, as they call, or insulated mug, splash-proof, rust-resistant, double-wall, vacuum-insulated, cup-holder-friendly sa kotse nyo, slide seal, BPA-free, 18 hours of cool beverage, at saka 4.5 hours of hot beverage. Check natin to. Uy, white. Ayan siya, oh. Parang madilim, no? May shadow. Ayan siya. Ito yung slide seal open. Double wall na rin siya, tapos the reason kung bakit siguro siya 4.5 hours of hot kasi hindi naman siya full lid na seal talaga with aluminum. Pero this one, ganda rin ang base niya. So, every product din, kanina, sa mga boxes, makita nyo, meron din siyang information ng care and use on how to take care of it properly and how to wash it properly. At meron din siyang mga info about the brand. So, if you guys want more information on these products na ilo-launch nila or nilaunch nila, make sure you head over to raptor.ph for more info. So, this one is the 18-ounce car mug or mug. They have the next one. Is the 20-ounce na tumbler, insulated tumbler. This is called Tundra. If yung una Flow, this is Tundra. Talagang very outdoorsy for adventures. No, you need to go outside. and explore the world. So yan. So whether trekking mountain trails or lounging in your backyard sanctuary, Raptor Tundra insulated tumblers built for these moments. Rust-resistant, leak-proof, and a cup holder-friendly design. You can relax in the comforts of your own home or chill off the mountains. Revel in its versatility with its wide mouth lid, accommodating everything from icy refreshments to hearty soup. Uy, pwede. Stay in or venture out. Either way, your passion is safe with us. Ang galing. Ganda. Alright, so 20-ounce capacity. Check natin. Ganda ng blue, oh. Ang ganda ng tumbler din niya. So, may maayos na handle din siya. Tapos, yung seal niya is double wall din siya. Tapos, may ganito siyang cover. Wala masyadong plastic or rubber na mag-wear down as you use it. Pero, same with any other quality tumblers. I think Raptor has those qualities built into this. So may mga similarities at nakikita ko medyo kaparehas sa mga good tumblers in the market right now. They thought of yung produktong ilo-launch nila like this to make sure that they not just make tumblers to make it available, but to make sure na they put out quality and something that you guys can use in your adventures or in day-to-day basis. No, can be at home, traveling to work, or outdoors. So this one, very nice. This one, chilled drinks. Cool water with ice, 24 hours. It can maintain yung coolness siya. And 12 hours of hot beverage. So I have a couple of tumblers na may ganun. Pero this one, at this size, at this capacity, ang ganda na merong ganitong available. But it doesn't stop there. There's another one. There is a 36-ounce tumbler. So this is a bigger version lang, bigger capacity. This is 36 ounce at saka yung isa is 20 ounce. Sorry. Ang ganda ng pagka-green niya. Ang ganda ng pagpili nila ng colors, no. Sorry, hindi ko ma-justify dahil iba yung ilaw ko dito eh. Iba yung masira yung ilaw. But I hope you guys can see this up close. I'll take more photos. Make sure you follow me on my socials. If you guys are still watching, thank you. But you guys should check this out. Ang ganda ng pagka-green niya. Talagang very outdoorsy, very classy. Parehas siya, but this one's just bigger. I like it. Very nice na the new products of Raptor is designed for people who are going out on an adventure o kung hindi man, are for people that can use it every day. Hindi ka man mag-camping, but still, you can use this when you go to work, for school, or maybe just to keep your beverage hot and storing and arranging your stuff properly. Siyempre, using the Raptor storage boxes. That is something that I appreciate. It's nice na hindi lang siya basta storage box, but it's something that you can actually use for multiple occasions, maybe traveling, storing, and also, syempre, pinaka-importante, looking good while doing those things. Isa sa mga nagustuhan ko sa produkto ng Raptor. Alright, so I think this is a better lighting setup. You guys can see it. Okay, good. So, these are the latest products from Raptor. These are the storage boxes. Raptor, 30 liters. Raptor, 50 liters. And there's a bigger one na 70 liters. Ang laki nun. Ang laki nun. Now, this flow insulated mug is 18 ounce. Has 6 colors available for this one. They have the black, navy, green, white, cyan, at pink. This one is a 20-ounce tumbler which can hold hot beverage for 12 hours and cold beverage for 24 hours. So 20 ounce. This one has 6 colors as well. Black, navy, green, white, light blue, at saka pink. So pareha silang wide mouth, no? The first two, this one and this one, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa car. So pwede siyang mag-fit dun sa most of the car beverage mug slot. And all of them are leak-proof. But the 36 ounce is available in 6 colors as well. Black, navy, green, white, light blue, and pink. So pareha sila nito. Itong tumbler na 20 ounce. Alright, that is it for the latest products from Raptor. I'm really loving your new products and I can't wait to see the other colors and versions of this. Really nice development on these products. Sana magkaroon pa ng transparent kung kakayanin. Pero I don't think that would be too durable compared to this one. But kudos to you guys, local brand, but pushing it further and making it into a more global and international type of quality and branding. I'm loving what you guys are doing. Please continue doing what you do. Kasi people like me who appreciate stuff like this And not just me, but syempre yung mga iba pa. No? So if you guys want to check out their products, make sure you go to raptor.ph for more info. Follow them on their socials kasi they're posting a lot of stuff na would really protect not just your gears, not just your investments, but really just making sure that they take care of those things that are important to you. Sabi nga nila, protect your passion. That is it for me. This has been a long video, but I'm really loving what I am seeing here. And I can't wait to show you guys what's next dun sa pag-arrange ko sa aking sasakyan sa likod. So hopefully I'd be able to use these. That is it for me. My name is Mike, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace! If you have any questions, please comment them down below and I'll try to answer them, okay? Follow me on my socials, Mike Soon, Instagram, and TikTok. See you guys.